1418. Incredible us.
Hey, you know there is this very amazing Chinese place just across the road. और मेरे को ना बहुत भूख लगी यार, तो चलें? बताना यार, मेरे को बहुत भूख लगी है. Alina, did something happen?
No.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What happened, Alina? Please tell me.
Nothing.
See, I know for a fact that something has certainly happened.
कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing has happened.
Alina, come on यार, please tell me.
अरे मत कर यार. कुछ नहीं हुआ. Okay, I'm fine.
Please tell me something.
Don't bug me now, please. मत कर.
Please try to tell me at least something यार.
अरे बार बार मत बोल यार. बोल दिया मैंने. Nothing happened. I'm fine. Okay. So I was at the metro station and there was this guy behind me who kept on pushing me, trying to touch me, and no one did anything. Everyone was looking. They knew what was happening, but they just didn't do anything. It was so frustrating. I don't know.
And then what happened?
I turned around and I gave him an angry look. And you know what? He started smiling at me.
What? Like he had the audacity to do that?
Yeah.
And what was your reaction to it then?
I was very angry. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया. Extremely angry. और मुझे समझ नहीं आया मैं क्या करूं. So I ran out of the metro station. Without saying anything. I just ran out. And now, I feel sad. I'm angry. And I even feel guilty.
But for what?
For not saying anything. For running out.
So, do you think you should have said something to him? Done at least something?
मुझे नहीं पता यार. At least it would have been better than sitting here and spoiling my mood.
So why didn't you say anything, Alina?
It's easy for you to say, Sid. But when it happens to you, na tab, you get cold feet. You don't know how to react. It's not easy, okay?
See, I know it's not easy. Speaking up for yourself is a very courageous act. And I also know that you are very courageous. You know, it's always not necessary to speak up to make the other person feel guilty. It is important to speak up for yourself. You know, speaking up makes you feel safe. It gives you confidence in yourself. Okay, think of it in this way. Okay, what if we live in a world where no one expresses how they feel about things? Just think of it.
No one would be happy.
Yeah, and more importantly than that, you know, we'll feel bad for not letting the others know that how we feel about them.
But what if you didn't listen to me?
See, yaar, in life, you are obviously going to meet people who don't consider your opinion. Or, you know, think that your opinion isn't right. But that doesn't change the fact that your feelings aren't important. You should always voice your opinion because that is the right thing to do.
Look, like me, maybe you're looking for someone to tell you that your opinion matters, that your voice matters. Well, why not become the voice for yourself? Tell yourself that you are priceless and your ideas, opinions and you matter.
You are never too young to stand up for something you truly believe in.
Don't let anyone tell you that what you feel is not relevant. These statements are only tools to make you feel discouraged or bring you down. Don't let anyone have that power over you.
It is important for yourself to stop hiding and let your true self really shine. And it is very important to voice your opinions, not for the world, but for you.
Whenever something like this happens, try to take a deep breath and try to reflect on what happened. Maybe when your emotions settle, you'll find a little voice inside you which really wants to speak up.
We know that this is very difficult. You might be nervous, you might be hesitant, or you might be conscious about it. But it is very important to take that first step towards your happiness.
Look, we know it's not easy, but you're not alone in this. There are people who are willing to listen to you, people who care for you, who love you, your friends, your family. Try and seek out for some help. They'll always be there for you, no matter what.
So go out, be yourself. You're incredible just the way you are. And when you stand up and speak, the world will sit down and listen.
Fourteen18 is India's first teenage platform that is specially designed for teenagers from 14 to 18 to give them a voice, to talk about the issues that are not being talked about so much. 1418 is a lovely place to work, and I would request all of you to join 1418 and be a part of 1418. Thank you.
1418 Incredible Us.